Hello everyone, what is going on? It's Heartless. So this is not going to be the regular video we usually make. Usually I do gambling content, but today we're going to be taking a look at the newest update because this is going to affect the channel for possibly the next little bit to come. So as of July 15th, when they posted the update, trade protected items are now a thing. Today, we are introducing a new feature to help keep your Counter-Strike items secure. In the unlikely event that you lose control of your account or were the target of a scam by a bad actor, you may reverse all Counter-Strike item trades from the last 7 days. Obviously, we hope you'll never need it, but you can review your recent trades and find the trade reversal feature on the trade history page on your Steam account. For more information about what happens when trades are reversed, visit the FAQ. Now, we're not going to go ahead and take a look at the FAQ because I went ahead and I did some investigating myself. In here, I have this. This is my Tech 9 Slag. I sent this to my buddy last night, and we had reversed the trade. Basically, what you need to do is you need to go into your item inventory, go to trade offers, and view your trade history. As you'll see here, I had already done it. I traded with, I'm going to censor out what his name is, but I traded with my buddy on the 16th of July at 5:47 a.m. All you have to do is click a button that shows up here. I'll put a screenshot here as to what it does. Basically, all you have to do is click a button and it reverses every trade you sent. Now, I would have sent an item back with him, but I didn't think of it to test it and I didn't know. It gives you a 30-day trade hold. Within 30 days of the day that you do it, let's say I want to send out the giveaway item, the Galil AR Vandal. I cannot do anything until August 15th. So it's a good protection. Basically, what this is meaning for the Counter-Strike market is that if your account gets hacked, API scams are no longer something to be extremely afraid of. You can reverse it. It is possible now, which is good news. But now we're probably going to see a higher likelihood of whole accounts getting stolen and hijacked, and instead of people getting into the account to just take the items, I feel like we're now going to start seeing an influx of people actually having their whole accounts taken, which is not going to be good for the market. But also, speaking of the market, as of the update, a lot of stuff has fluctuated. So if we go ahead and search up the CSGO weapon case 1, the update dropped on the 15th, which was right here. Prices dipped down to as low as $190 yesterday. They went up slightly overnight, but they went back down just as hard. The weapon case 1 is on its highest right now. It did only a week ago just break the 200 threshold. So I understand it's not something that is set in stone yet. But the fact that it was on a steady climb upwards and then they drop the update right here and it just goes down and it's across the market. I'll show you a couple of examples. Glove case. These were on a steady spike because of the openings that have been happening. They're on a steady spike, steady spike. July 15th, 10 p.m. hits. They sell for peak $26. Now, they're down to 24 Canadian. Here's another one, the CSGO Weapon Case 2. This one is also going weirdly, but you can see the steady decline right here again, unless it spikes back up around here. Operation Breakout Weapon Case is actually doing okay. Here's another one, Huntsman Weapon Case. There it is, July 15th. They were already on that little bit of a dip, so they went back up, but now they are down about 20% or 10%. So everything on the higher end is down about 10%. There is a couple things I noticed here. Let me point these out. Let's take a look at what the number one capped item is right now. These are baseline. The red line has not moved. I want to point that out. If anything, it's actually creeped up slightly. So the red line not moving at all does show strength in the market still. Same as this one. This one has sat at around the same price now for quite a bit. Yes, don't get me wrong. They were selling for around 77 here, and they're only selling for around 75 here, but it's not as big of a jump as we're seeing on some of the other stuff. What's this mean for the market? It's hard to say. I just picked up all of these stuff, and I'm hoping to God that I don't take a loss on them, especially this. Finally got one after all this time. The giveaways still will be going as planned. Um, the winner has been drawn for the Vandal. They have not responded, so we will actually go ahead and do another draw at the end of the next short we post. And the Integral, we're close to doing it, so make sure you enter that. But yeah, how does this mean for the CSGO market? It's hard to say. I'm hoping it goes good. As for the gambling content, I don't know what's going to be happening with that, truth be told, because I don't know what's happening with the peer-to-peer market. I don't want to take the risk of buying an item out until we know there's confirmation that there's going to be protections in place by either sites or secondary providers. We're going to have to wait and see. Good luck to everyone who is doing cash trades as well. I wish the best for you that you guys don't get the trades reversed. It's a scary time for the Counter-Strike market, and let's just all together hope and pray that we somehow survive and make it through to the other side with bigger growth. That being said, thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and Heartless signing off.